I tried YouTube automation for 15 days, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the results. So I did this way back in December, and I completely forgot about it. All I could remember was how proud I was about these views I was getting. So here are the views. During these 15 days, I got a total of 34,000 views. Doesn't that already prove how broken shorts are? Now I know watch hours don't count to monetization, but I got 152.1 watch time hours. This is how much I used to get in a whole year back with my old channel. It's crazy how much you can get with these shorts in only 15 days. Now you've probably been all waiting for this moment. I got 50 subscribers in 15 days. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but let me just say that again. 50 people subscribed to me in 15 days. If I kept this up for 30 days, for example, I would have 100 subscribers. If I kept it up for 45 days, I would have 150 subscribers or more. So now you've heard the analytics, you're probably wondering what kind of shorts I did to get these views. Well, for my niche, it was all about FIFA, funny moments and crazy clips. Most of my views aimed around 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. But one of my shorts popped off and got over 12,000 views, giving me 10 subscribers. Well, that's the most depressing thing I've ever said. But if I actually tried as hard as I could to make the best possible shorts, I would probably be getting more returning viewers and subscribers. So the moral of the story here is to try this method. Try posting at least one short a day, or maybe a few shorts a day. Try that for either 15 days like me, or even 30 days. After, if you want, come back to the comments and tell me how well you did. You may also be interested in how I got 100 subscribers in just a week, using some easy tricks. Well, that video is on your screen right now.